Hi everyone, welcome to Hawkins Unique Jewellery. In this video I will be showing you how to make this white gold necklace with a yellow gold inlay and an iolite stone. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're wondering why there's a third arm in there, that is my little boy in the background, and what I'm doing here basically is marking out where I'm going to put in the yellow gold inlay. So the next stage here, once I've marked it all up, is to use a couple of burrs, work my way through the sizes to make basically the inlay area large enough to fit in the gold inlay. So what I failed to video there was putting the 9-carat yellow gold inlay into the necklace itself. So what I basically used is a piece of yellow gold wire, and I used a Fordham hammer drill to hammer it into the inlay itself. So now the inlay is set into the necklace, I'm just clearing it up now to make sure there's a nice smooth finish. Now I'm marking up a bit of white gold tube. This is where the chain is going to go through, so I'm just marking out where I need to cut before I solder it onto the top of the piece. So what I'm doing next is using a round file to create a curve in the piece that I've already made, so that the white gold tube will solder nicely onto the top of the piece. So while the solder piece is sat in the pickle pot, it's time to make the cup that the stone will sit into. So what I'm doing here now is testing the size of the metal to make sure it fits nicely around the stone before I solder it. So now that the piece is soldered, I'm just using my dome block there to make sure that the piece is perfectly round. So you just see me solder the two pieces together. Now it's time for a little bit of tidying up, get rid of any excess metal and make sure it's ready to be soldered onto the main piece. So my camera ran out of battery, so you didn't actually see me solder it onto the piece exactly, but now you can see it here, both pieces joined together. So you've just seen me there give the whole piece a really good clean once over, make sure it's ready before I put in the stone and give it a final polish. So what I'm doing now is I'm cutting a groove for the stone to sit into, and also for where the metal will be bent over to fit around the stone itself. So you just see me give the whole piece a once over again, and now I'm going to put the stone into the piece and use my pusher to push around the metal so it folds over the stone and keeps it securely in place. And I'll also use my burnisher to go around the edges, followed by my files to give it a real nice finish. So again, I'm giving it a quick once over with my finest grit before I give it a polish on the main wheel. So the final stage is to put the piece in the ultrasonic. You can see in some of my other videos, I'll do a close-up of the actual ultrasonic and what it actually does and all the stuff that comes out of it, which they're a really good piece of kit.